Hey, it's Abhi here, and this is what I'm going to talk about in this video. We're going to talk about the influencer myth here. We're going to talk about the buy intent topics, the tech setup that's basically free, and I'm going to talk about the 4-part faceless script formula. That's all you need to create your videos and actually make an income with YouTube without going viral. So let's talk about the first one, that is the influencer myth here. And that is, people actually think that they need a $2,000 camera out there. They need a professional lighting setup and also an incredibly energetic personality. You see these massive creators on YouTube. They points out text on the screen, right? They do crazy editing out there. They jump around, and you think like, I cannot do that. But here is the good news: you do not need to do any of those. In fact, if you try to be this when your personality is not like any of these, you don't know this crazy editing. You do not need to be a loud influencer out there, right? If you're naturally an introvert, then just be yourself, create videos like that. People will appreciate that much more. So if you try to become that influencer, that loud influencer here, when you're clearly not, then that will actually hurt your business. You see, people who actually go ahead and buy those high ticket offers, buy those softwares, they are not here on YouTube to be entertained. They are here to get their problems solved. They are looking for a guide, and that's exactly what I do, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you, and you'll be able to implement it right away to launch your YouTube channel or improve your YouTube channel to actually make sales and commissions. All right, let's move to the second topic, that is buyer intent topics. So the very first step is to making sure you are making videos about right topics, especially when your channel is small. If you make a video called My Thoughts on Digital Marketing, nobody is going to find it because nobody is searching for it. So what you need to focus on is buyer intent search terms. When you create a video that answers a specific questions, that solves a specific problem, you do not need the algorithm of YouTube to push your video to thousands and millions of views. You just need to sit on these search results that shows up when people actually search something. So when a highly motivated buyers comes and watches your video, you are the one holding that answer that he needs. That's all you need to do on YouTube to actually make income, regular, steady, passive income. All right, now let's talk about the second thing, the third thing, that is the tech setup. And after I will talk about how to really create videos, which is very important, right? The tech setup, let's just quickly cover that part here. So the important thing is here, you do not need any expensive software. People go ahead and purchases those AI powered video editors that cost like $67 per month, or they go ahead and purchase Camtasia. I use Camtasia, but you really don't need it. I have been using Camtasia for years now. I'm comfortable, that's why I'm using. You can simply use CapCut, you can simply use Microsoft Clipchamp, or you can use a very low price alternative like Loom, which is I think called ScreenPal right now, whatever, right? You can use ScreenPal as well. So there are plenty options and plenty of free options out there that you can use to create videos, right? Record screen, create video, just like what I'm doing right now. And once you create your video, all you need is a thumbnail creation software, that is Canva, which is also free. All you need to do is, when you create a thumbnail, use a clean background, right? White, yellow, blue, whatever color that you're using, and have a bold text, right, that clearly conveys what the video is about. That's all. The goal is not to look like any Hollywood graphic designer. Your goal is to be clear and be readable. Yes, only one thing that you need to spend money on, and that is a good mic. Sound quality is everything. It's just, if your video quality is crap, that's fine, but your audio quality needs to be good, right? And you can easily find a $20-30 microphone. I myself use a $20 one. Anyway, now the important part is here, that is the 4-part faceless script formula. People don't know how to create good high converting videos, and that's what exactly I am going to cover in this section here. And that is the 4-part. I think I can actually call it 5-part as well, but you will know. So this answers how do you structure your video properly, even if you're doing tutorials, even if you're doing reviews. So part 1, real quick, let's not just drag around. So part 1 is the hook, and the hook is, keep it simple. Do not waste 30 seconds doing intros. Don't have a long introduction. Just say, hey, this is a B. I just do that, right? I don't ask people to go ahead and subscribe. Don't have any video intros like those logo animations. People are sick of that right now. They will just close that video if there's like 15-second logo intro there. Just don't do that. Skip to the point. Jump to the point. Go straight to the main meat of the video, main point. So you need to start the video by confirming to the people that they are in the right place and you have the answer they are looking for. For example, if they're looking for a review of a certain product here, right? So you can tell them like, if you're trying to figure out the product name, if it's actually worth the money, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. That's how you introduce on a review video. That way, exactly they know that they are in the right place. Now then, part 1 is hook. So what's part 2? Part 2 is proof. So what do I mean proof? I'm not talking about the dollars in your dashboard. No, that's not it. So for example, if you're doing the review here again, or if you're doing the tutorial of a certain software or certain thing, then show them your screen, log into that software, show them inside that course if you're reviewing or talking about a course. Prove that you have access to it, right? Actual access to it. And this way, this builds instant trust. And trust is what matters in sales, right? This is how you make money, increasing trust. So you gave the hook, like you taught them that they are in the right place. Now you proved it to them that you have the access to that particular thing, whatever that you are talking about. So yeah, that's good as well. So they will stay on that video if they are looking for answer for that. Now, part number 3, once you show them the software, then you talk about it. You talk about the members area, like what does the members area looks like when a user first logs in. What does the members area looks like? How do they navigate? What's the benefit of that product? What problem does it exact solves? How do they access certain things? Talk about the product. That's what they are here for, right? Very simple. You can take the help of ChatGPT or Gemini to actually come up with a simple script, simple outline, which will help you properly navigate through your review video or whatever that you're doing. Now, part number 3, and that is flaw. We can call it cons as well, right? Not just the benefits, we covered that in the previous section. So flaw, and this is an actual ultimate weapon here. Do not just talk about how amazing that software is, that product is. Tell them what is wrong with it. What is wrong with that product? You can say something like, here's the one thing that I don't like about this, or here's the one thing that this is missing. So when you point out that flaw, the viewer instantly knows that you are giving an honest opinion, honest review, and not just trying to force a sale. Never try to force a sale. It works backwards and you will never make any money. And why did I call this an ultimate weapon, right? It's not just being honest. It's not just showing that you're being honest. It's also a sales mechanic. How? Well, whatever the flaw about that product is, you can cover that flaw as a bonus. So if you're promoting a software and it does not do a certain thing or it does it badly, you can easily show them how to do it properly. You can create a video, you can create a PDF, you can create a checklist as a bonus that plugs that flaw, that covers that flaw, right? And automatically you become more valuable. And if you do this correctly, then it's as good as you have made the sale. Because not only you solved the query of that viewer that came in, you also are giving them bonus, which makes your offer basically more valuable. And they are going to buy that product anyway. So now they will choose your affiliate link and ultimately you will make money, right? So that's how the sales works. Now, part number 4, what is part number 4? You have done everything so far, right? No. Now, part number 4 is use the traffic that you're getting, be it the tutorials, be it the reviews. You need to build an email list. Build an email list. So how do we do that? For example, you are doing a tutorial, right? Tutorial about something. You can send them to a page where you collect emails and you do all the backend stuff, all the 2-page funnel that I talked about in previous 2 videos. Make sure you watch that, right? If you found this video helpful, I'm pretty sure you will learn a lot of things on those 2 videos. So this is how you build a list here, right? All these emails. And if you're doing reviews, right? Reviews, mostly you are not going to add an opt-in page in between, but when they purchase, right? For example, this is a sales page. And when they purchase everything, right? They go through your affiliate link, they come to sales page, they purchase everything, you make the commissions. Great. Now what? You have offered the bonus in the above section, right? You have talked about the cons and you have given them relevant bonuses that actually works, that complements that product that you're promoting. So when they actually go ahead and try, when they email you or you have your bonuses pre-set up with your affiliate link on Warrior Plus or JVZoo or any platform, if there is an option like that, then you can simply send them to opt-in page, right? This thing here, an opt-in page, and tell them that if they want to access the bonuses of this particular software that you promised, they need to enter their email, and they will happily enter their email because they want your bonuses. That's one of the reasons why they actually purchase that offer from you, right? So these emails would be a highly valuable asset, and that would be the buyers list. So if you have enough of this, for example, if you have like 500 or even 100 of these buyers list, they are much more valuable than 500 to 1000 of those freebie seekers list, right? Your conversions on next promotion that you do, it will be way higher. You will convert the sales in 20%, 30, 40, 50% higher, because they know that whatever that you're recommending is actually value for money, and your bonuses are going to be value for money as well. This is how affiliate marketing works, and this is how YouTube works, right? Well, part 4 was more about building an email list, building that backend that will get you that reliable, steady income, predictable income. But these 3 parts is exactly how I do YouTube. If you take a look at my videos, that's exactly how I do it. And if you see my videos, I don't show my face, I don't shout here. Probably I'm shouting here right now, but yeah. So again, you do not need to be an influencer, quote unquote. You just need to create simple, helpful digital assets. Just do this enough time. Don't give up after doing one video, right? One video is just nothing. 10 videos probably make a net of videos. Then you expand it. If you do 50 videos, like over the course of 3 months, 4 months, then you are absolutely golden, my friend. Watch my previous videos to understand this thing. So anyway, if you actually want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, check the link in the description. And hopefully this video helped you. If any questions, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.